Durpul, hire like never before.
The candidate wants to see these 5 things. 1, they want to see the position. What are they applying for? What's the expectations of the job? What's the salary? 2, they want to see where is this position. We all know what COVID did to the job market, and it makes people want to work hybrid or even remote full time. But if you're wanting somebody to work on campus, okay, cool. What does that look like? Is it a high rise? Is it a cubicle? Is it bullpen style? These are things that the candidate want to see, which is the second P, the POV. Third, they want to know, okay, who can I identify with in this company? Who is somebody that makes me feel comfortable? Who is somebody that makes me feel like I want to give my time to and my education experience? Who do I want to apply that with? That's where the third video comes in, and that's the people. And that's your chance to get behind camera. I know it's going to be uncomfortable, but we'll help walk you through it and really explain to the candidate who you are. What are your beliefs? What do you love to do? What's your hobbies? Where are you from? Where did you go to school? What's your favorite football team? What's your favorite food? All those things play an integral part in identifying that personality match with the candidate. Because the only thing that's worse than not having a candidate is having a bad one. The fourth P, what they want to see is, let's face it, what's in it for them? What are the perks? What are the employee benefits? Do they have health, vision, dental, PTO? These are things that you will want to identify, and these are things that you want to publish so that way the candidate knows exactly what you will be offering. And the fifth P, which in our opinion is the most important, is your purpose. Why did you get into business? Hey, if you're in it to make money, that's cool. Maybe you'll find a candidate that's also just in the business to make money. But you'll see that once they make a certain amount of money, or once they get offered a position from another company who offers more money, they'll leave because that's what they're in it for. But if you have a passion for what you do, if you have a strong why for what you do, and you can identify that correctly, and you can translate that to screen, and you can find candidates that share that same why and that same passion and that same purpose, you'll see that it doesn't matter the amount of money that other jobs are going to offer them. They're going to stay with you because y'all are in it for the same reason. Y'all are in it to grow together. So we're going to help you identify those 5 Ps, and we're going to help you identify the right candidate so that way you can truly hire like never before.